Namaste. This is related to the Great Legalization Movement India's petition for decriminalization, liberation, and legalization of cannabis, ganja, and hemp here in India. The case was filed in 2019. The case has been ongoing for 6 years. And on the 23rd of Jan, a division bench kind of put a partial halt on this particular case and asked the government to take very, very effective steps in order to see this particular thing through. So there are a lot of different sections of the NDPS Act which we have filed, which says, like all of these sections, which includes cannabis, are violative to the fundamental rights of the Constitution of India. And it takes away our right to equality, our right to life, our right to freedom, our right to conscience, our right to privacy, and all of the right to trade, all of these things. So I'm just going to jump into the point number 10 and henceforth to just give you guys the actual update. So there are various aspects that deserve to be considered in this matter. The material above and the submissions made by Union of India would show that the use of cannabis, if to be permitted, has to be under formal regulations which are framed for this purpose. Accordingly, the same would also be a policy decision and not an issue of adjudication at this stage by the court. The Union of India is thus directed to undertake a stakeholder consultation and review as to whether there is a need for dilution of the provisions of the NDPS Act and NDPS rules relating to the use of cannabis, and if so, for what purposes. Accordingly, it is directed that all the materials which is being placed along with this writ petition and the writ petition itself can be treated as a representation to be considered by the Union of India. The High Stakeholder Committee shall include ministries, including Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Ayush, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Environment, Forests and Farmers Welfare. This is a mistake. Also, all the organizations such as the petitioner, the doctors and medical professionals, especially oncologists, cancer specialists, palliative caregivers, the research and development labs, researchers, etc. Let a decision in this matter be taken within a period of 6 months from this order. The present petition is disposed of in these terms. Pending applications, if any, are also disposed of. The petitioner is permitted to revive the petition if the decision is not taken. So, there we go. So, this is a great a victory in a way, because since the 41 years of prohibition of cannabis plant here in India, no one really questioned as to why this plant is prohibited, why the medicine is being removed, why there is so much of criminalization that is happening around this particular culture. And finally, we had to step in and we had to take charge, and by God's grace, everything fell in place. The court matter was delayed and stretched according to me, but nonetheless, we have a positive outcome to this entire thing. Let me just also explain in the next video about what my actual opinion on this entire issue is. All right. Thank you. Stay updated. Stay with me. Thank you.